We're only a couple of weeks away from the official unveiling of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, so it's no surprise that leaks are starting to show the phone in all its glory. Following the viral spread of photos showing dummy units of the device last week, a new video has now emerged, showing the Galaxy S25 Ultra in real life for the very first time. Although the clip is just 10 seconds long and doesn't show the entire body of the device, those 10 seconds are enough to confirm that this is indeed the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Only the top half of a phone is visible, which looks a lot like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, except with noticeably more rounded corners, which, if you've been following the news, is something we expect to see on the new model. While the rounded corners are a welcome design change, they're not the only thing Samsung has modified to improve usability. As you can see in the video, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have flat sides, with the frame bending towards the back. Comparatively, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has curved edges. The new design should shrink the phone's width by a few millimeters, which should further improve usability when holding the device. It also looks like the camera lenses might have slightly larger rings around them, but beyond that, this device looks quite identical to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, complete with 4 cameras on the back and in the same arrangement. As for the screen, although the device is turned on, we don't get to see how thin the bezels are on account of the black background of what appears to be Reddit running on the phone. Finally, the video appears to show the phone in a gray shade, which a previous leak suggests will be called titanium gray. This color will supposedly be joined by titanium black, titanium blue, and titanium silver options, in addition to some exclusive colors, which you can only get from Samsung's official store. In terms of specifications, previous reports indicated that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a 6.86-inch dynamic AMOLED display, which Samsung will market as having a 6.9-inch screen. It will likely have a 12-megapixel selfie camera, a 200-megapixel primary rear camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, an upgraded 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. The device will run Android 15 based on One UI 7 out of the box, and will get 7 additional major Android updates. The device will use the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip globally, will have up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and up to 1 terabyte of internal storage. Other features could include an IP68 ingress rating, stereo speakers, and a 5,000 mAh battery, with support for 45 watts fast charging and 15 watts wireless fast charging. With that said, leaks regarding the upcoming Galaxy S25 series are only going to get better at this point, so we suggest you subscribe to the channel for all the latest update.